everyone, we want to study, but we don't know how to utilize the time. When I should study so that my brain will work properly and I can learn more and I can actually utilize the time more. Sometimes we are learning whole the day, but actually it's not going to our brain and we are not able to remember, because the time management is not proper way. You have to understand your brain function properly, when your brain is working and when your brain is not working. According to that, if you are planning your study, then definitely you will get a effective result. So here you can see the table what I prepare for all of you. You can see that early morning, it is not it is a scientific way. It is the scientific way our human body is working like this. Yes, it is the normal human body. We are trying to make it different lifestyle, but normal human body is working like this way only. Early morning 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here this time brain function 100%, because it's normal when you wake up after sleeping. You will go to sleep one day. So after that you will wake up, and at that time your brain 100% function is going on at this time. So always, every time all the people are telling early to bed, early to rise, make the man healthy and wise. It is not mine. So it is all the successful person will tell that only. That's why early morning 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. where our brain function is active. Actually not 10 a.m. also. Actually 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. I can say that. In this time 100% brain is functioning well. In this time, if you are focusing for learning any new topic, any difficult topic, whatever you did not understand, or you learned that topic but you are not getting the proper idea, you want to clear that concept more. So this is the time when you can learn this new topic. This is the time you have to utilize for learning the new topic. 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Why I am not taking 10 a.m. or anything. 12 to 3, this time is normally free time, right? Those who are working or whatever, that is your planning. It is normal for the student life, I am telling. Here in this time 70 to 80% brain function is going on, because you know that our school, college, office, everywhere this timing we are working properly. So 70 to 80% brain is functioning in this time. So here this time you should utilize for your self-study, revision and self-practice. This is completely your self-study time. Invest this time for completely your self-study. When there will be no disturbance, if you are staying alone in home, then also you should utilize this time for your self-study time. Now in evening, normally whenever it's 6 p.m. after whole day, all the work, already it started that yes, I am not feeling well, little bit thak gaye hai, getting tired or something, but still we have to study in this time also, right? So evening our brain function is decreasing 50 to 60% in this time. But in this time we can active our brain if you are studying with your friends, group study, or if you are attending live mock test, if you are doing live practice, then actually in this time your attention will be improved. When you are with your friends, when you are doing in a live class, or when you are attending a live mock test, then it will be work more, because your brain will be automatically active there at that time. So that's why this time must utilize for doing mock test, live practice or group study. This is the 6 to 10 p.m. time. I will suggest it is the best time to do that. If you are going for tuition or whatever, normally we are setting our tuition in this time only, right? Late night, I never prefer to go for late night, because brain thak gaye, you are already tired. Now if you are trying to study, then definitely your brain will not work. Some people will say no, I am, but actually it's not working, because you change your lifestyle, you change your habit, that is forcefully you are changing, but your body will definitely react if you are forcefully doing it. I was also doing, but I am telling only when I was doing late night study and now I am doing early morning, definitely there is a difference between late night and early morning, because physically, mentally you are already tired, you can't do. If you are trying, It is forcefully if you are trying, but you will be not able to do properly. In this time 20 to 30% brain function is working. So always it's better when you already tired, go to sleep. Don't try to stretch yourself, go to sleep, try to wake up early. Change your habit. If you are still now doing late night and all, change your habit. Within 10 p.m. go to bed and 4 a.m. wake up, so that it will be a good planning. If you are working like that, definitely here you are doing self study, you are learning new topic, here self study and revision and practice you are doing, here also you are practicing. So this is enough, this is more than enough. Even also if in this total day if you are doing 4 to 5 hours study, but still it will be the effective study plan. Now I am telling you, yes, for this study plan definitely you have to prepare the strategy also, and you need guidance also. If I am telling you this, all the strategy, all the planning is available. And how to do the strategy for the PYQS analysis only. You have to do the PYQS analysis. From the PYQS analysis only, you can understand what are the topic I should go ahead, how to prepare. This is, you can see always I am doing the UGC NET PYQS analysis because I am the educator for UGC NET Computer Science. So always before starting your study, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, then first of all you have to do previous year's analysis, each and every topic wise analysis. This is must, because after doing the analysis that what are the questions are coming, which area is important, which area is giving more score, if you are not able to understand, then unnecessarily you are studying and it's not effective at all, right? So these all the planning, effective study planning with content, everything is ready for you in unified study platform. Here those who are preparing for UGC NET SET exam, you can see here how I prepared this course. In this course you can see that unit wise complete concept in CS folder. You can see each and every folder wise all the computer science content are available for you. Whatever content you don't know, you want to learn, just go to the folder and learn it. There is no wastage of time. Without wastage of time, content is ready for you. Just you will watch recording, you will download PDF. Like if you come here, you can just select on this and you can start study. You can download PDF from here. So there will be no wastage of time. Just before going to sleep, you have to ask yourself, you have to prepare that plan. Yes, tomorrow what thing I want to do, what I will do, right? Now if you are coming to the next, again I am going to the content. You can see that what is going on here, how I can follow this. If you come here again, you can see the view content, right? Other contents are also available, because if you are starting that, yes, then evening what I will do, I should go for mock test or what I should do, like that, right? Come to the content. So when you are doing the self study, you can get the content here. After getting the content, whenever you are getting the content here, you can refresh it. Here all the classes, let me refresh. Here you can see that all mock tests are available. In the afternoon time you can attempt mock test also, or you can do self study also, because you have already downloaded your all self study plan is there, your PDF is there, you can prepare your own notes, whatever you can do. Live class, you can attempt the live class. Here you can see that for the August batch, this is the way I am planning, because your exam is coming. We know that your exam is coming in the August also, your exam is there, December batch is also there. So that's why I have prepared two different folder. For the August batch, evening class I have allocated, and for the December batch I have allocated the morning class, because in the December batch, from the fresh way, we are doing in the beginning in detail, each and every class from the beginning concept with question we are doing. That's why this class is going on 5 a.m. morning 5 a.m. we are doing this class. If you think that yes, this class, this concept I don't know, I want to do the live class, you can do the live class 5 a.m. early morning. If you think that no, this topic is known to me, no problem, you can come to the evening class. If you need only practice, live practice, 6:15 p.m. I am taking the class here in the crash course for the August 2014. In August 2014 crash course, 6:15 to 7:15, hardly 7:30, 1 hour or more than little bit extended can be. Here we will do the practice. Completely we will focus on the practice, that yes, practice and revision, live practice with the time bound, because we will run the, I will run that live poll. In the live poll you have to do, where lots of learner will be there, more than 100 learners will be there. With them you have to compete, and you will see that you are coming to leaderboard or not. In this way your brain will be active in that time. That's why I prefer this time for 6:15. In this time you can do the live practice and live mock test, and you self mock test for that. So this mock test folder is already available. In this mock test folder, if you go, the full length mock test, unit wise mock test, topic wise mock test, everything is there. We will provide you more mock test. When you can utilize in the afternoon time, when you are doing self study, revision, your self practice, at that time you can utilize it. This is the planning. According to the planning, I prepare this scientific way, this course, so that everyone can utilize. You need new topic, you want to learn new topic from the recording is available. From the live class I want to do, you can do the live class. You want to do only practice, you can do the mock test. Each and every content PDF is ready for you, and this is you are getting in very low price. You can come to here. This is the computer science course. It is very limited period offer. I know that 2 months is available now, because for 2 months you required it, because August is your exam. July, August, this 2 months is there in your hand. 21st August to 4th September is your exam. So in this time, if you are going for 2 months in 999 rupees, very less price. In this less price you are getting this all content. Recording, live class, mock test, per day 2 live class, recording, mock test, everything is available for only 999 rupees. There will be no wastage of time. Every material is ready for you. Just you have to click and start, right? Otherwise you can do self study, no problem, but self study, it will, for searching and for doing, your time will be wastage, right? PYQS analysis, PYQS question, expected mock test, expected question, everything is ready. I will do work for you, and just you will get all the content for 999 rupees only. For 2 months you can go. If you are preparing for December or more latter exam, then definitely you can go for the long term planning. Whatever planning you are taking, you will be able to access in this duration. 2 months means 2 months only you can access all this content. 3 months means 3 months, 6 months means 6 months, 12 months means 12 months. We will end the live class in the December. After that, some students are there, they are not able to complete all the content. That's why they need extension. You can go for 12 months for that. Okay. So this is the plan you can utilize for your exam, computer science exam, UGC NET, SET, PhD, PSC, NIC, NLEIT, whatever exam for computer science, I am giving you guarantee. So all these exam, it will be helpful for you, because whatever content I am providing you, maybe it is very less cost, but in less cost, whatever content you are getting, you will understand after joining it. Because we believe less is more. We are not charging more price. Other platform are charging more price, but they are not giving that much content what Unify Study Priyanka ma'am is providing you. I am giving you guarantee. You can take a trial also, 999 rupees 2 months. Check it. After that you will understand that yes, what khazana you got here. So start it now. Don't do delay, because from the 1st July only we will start that target August batch. So target December batch already I have started, and all this folder wise I maintain, so that searching will be easy for you, accessing will be easy for you. How to access? You have to pay from the website. Actually payment will be done from only website. You can click on buy now, you can select your plan, and you can purchase the course. After purchasing the course, you can install the app also. Mobile app is also available. Desktop app is also available. You can come to this desktop app, that is Windows app, And our iPhone app is also available. After joining class, if you need that iPhone app, that is also I can provide you. You can ask me in the live session. I will share the iPhone app also, how to access from the iPhone. From browser also you can join, there will be no problem. From browser also you can join the live class, but installing app will be more better, and joining class through the app, it will be more better. After registration, after purchasing, you have to log in with the same mobile number through the app, so that you can access all these contents. I hope it is very clear to you that how we are giving this complete course. That's why I am telling you that this is the complete course, where you are getting every access. We are not segregating like this is crash course, this is complete course, this is practice course, this is PYQS course. Everything is available in a same course. According to scientific way, we are preparing your time slots also. Just utilize it. I hope you will like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned with this channel. If you are not going for paid course also, then also so many free contents are available in this channel. Definitely utilize this free content and definitely follow this timetable. This timetable will definitely helpful for your preparation. Thank you. Bye. See you soon in my next video.